Welcome to the channel. Here's Trader Jan. We have this one is about a review of the last trading day. We're going to review two things. One is the locations which we defined, and then the trades which were actually being taken yesterday. The result of yesterday's trading day were plus one take without costs and for 7 trades. So actually it's minus 4 takes, but in terms of trade results, 7 trades plus 1 take. Better than other days, better than most of the days of my week actually. So let's focus on the first topic at this reviewing the locations which we defined the day before. Looking at those locations here, we had a wonderful location and then real good push into the other direction, and we could have taken the trade of about 24 ticks, and then we came back to another location which we defined and pushed then further up. And the same way came back to the location and then pushed up to the upper location. So that one was actually really cool to see. Here we had a double top. I'm not a technical analyst for trading thing. I'm a volume trader. So um, double top, the only thing which tells to me is, okay, let's check what the second attempt here looked like from a volume profile perspective. And from that perspective, I would only open a trade. I wouldn't consider double top or shoulder or whatever it is. I don't even know all those terms, and I don't really care. So here we would have taken would have had a chance to take a nice trade here down here. And then we smashed through that one and the same support level here. Got here a level of resistance, which is great. If we would have been within the market here at 9 o'clock p.m. Chicago time, we probably would have changed this location down to this level here. And then we would have pushed that one here again. But that would be done in the adaptation of the locations. But in principle, those locations were great. This location here, yep, this one as well. I guess we would have adapted here a bit a little further down as well. Then here we had a huge volume being built, and that was around that was around the market opening. Actually, the market opening yesterday was really slow. Then went further down. I don't know when. Yeah, no location here. Let's check for a second what was here. Was there anything? Moment, that's scrolling automatically. Was there anything we missed on the day before? It looks like here from that location perspective, this location would have been a bit more pop rates here, rebounds here again, and here the same place here. Got actually from an support into a reversal. Always nice to see those things then working out. Let's see if this would have been a better place here in the past based on what did we define that area here. So here we defined that one actually as yeah, we defined this one here. This is a low volume area, and my idea behind that one was to respect this area where it was support and then this one where it was resistance. But looking at the chart now, since we need to give the later price development more priority, I think this moving it a little bit lower would have made more sense. And this one here as well, moving it not only at the end of the day, but actually moving it into this high volume area, especially here on that day. That seemed to have been a better decision. So this one a bit more down, this one here a bit more down, and this one here probably not so much defined at all. So let me check that one here. Yeah, this one here would have been a bit more down. Um, and this one here wouldn't have been there, but this one here would have been, moment, down as well. Not sure if that one would have been, yeah, then it would have been here, the check here, yeah, it would have been here. Okay, so taking care a bit more about those high volume areas in the future and about the latest development of the price. So here, perfect placement, right? It's the high volume here, and then there's a range, and then we can trade 1, 2, 3, up to 3 directions in the range, defines a range. So here is 1, 2, 3. This one would make a range, or even this one here, and then we could trade up and down in the range. So here, this should have been a little bit higher. What could we have done better here? I guess here, this little thing that need to be, I guess I respect too much the older price levels, because this one here makes sense, but this one here putting a little bit higher, because here it was resistance and then it got support. I think those areas that looking here, and it got resistance again, and then, or support again, and then resistance. So looking further down here, why didn't have this one? This seems to be a nice area here. Why didn't have this one on my radar? I need to check that one. So why didn't I have that one on my radar? No chart here. Okay, dokie. I'm gonna match that one here. So let's see. That just makes me curious because it's the middle of nowhere. I have a huge thing of 160 ticks here, and there's literally nothing happening here. So let me change then to the M15. Current day is already in progress quite heavily and went south for the whole day. So we are here, and I want to know, because M15 is quite an important layer for the, yeah, I guess this one here. This one is was the naked pork at that time, and I should have given that one more priority. Naked porks are important, obviously. Jan, naked porks are important. Ah, okay. Taking that one into consideration for next time. Overall, went quite south yesterday and south today as well. So that was it for that part. So now let's review some of or all of the 7 trades I did yesterday. So that takes already about 10 minutes, but I'm doing it quite detailed, and the reason being that this is my trading journal, and I'm using all kinds of tools to evaluate what I'm saying here. So to learn, and I'm just too lazy to write things down, so I talked through it here. I transcribe the videos and then I let AI, speaking notebook LM, walk through it and tell me what went wrong and what can I learn. Anywho, where are my trades? Trades on the chart are activated. Obviously, here started trading here, not on a location. So it's stupid me. Why do I start trading here against the trend? I should wait either here for rebounds or against the trend here because it was a huge move here and then here. So here it's against the trend again, against the trend again. So, and not on the location. Only trade on location, Jan freaking me. Jeez. So those were 3 trades, 1, 2, 3, all against the trend. Here it's clearly going down. I guess the overall theme of the day might have been long. But yeah, that's trading not on a location. No good. I wanted, maybe I anticipated something here. Anywho, so let's focus on the next one. Here there was, okay, finally I got into a trade, which is great. Was after the opening. And here impatient Jan couldn't wait for 3 minutes until the move went on. So I had 5 ticks here, 7 ticks here at least plus this time. And then I traded a bounce back here, rejection of that area. And I traded 3 trades in a row with some profit. Awesome. So I think that was it then. Yeah, that was it then. So 3 trades minus, 3 trades plus, resulting in, no, I had 7 trades, right? This is 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. I only see 6 here. Ah, here's another one. Here's another one. 7. Okay. So I actually finished the trade today with 4 trades in plus, and I started with 3 trades in minus. And all those 4 trades were in the American session, and the other trades were in the European sessions. Okay, that's it for the moment. I think it's enough for the review. As a learning, naked box with the location setting is good, and trading freaking only at the locations. Geez, not somewhere in the jungle because I have a feeling of whatever. Okay, that is for the moment, and I guess I'm gonna come up with some market analysis for the day and try that and trying to identify the bias of the market, which actually, since the market is running already, it is now 7:30 Chicago time, and the market here, as you see, boom, went down already 358 ticks. So the bias of today might be short. Who knows? Let's find out later.